Question number 2. For Shadushana, which of the following is to be added in Panchakola? Shadi, Marija, Yavani, Manchishta. According to Bhava Prakasha, Panchakolam Samarijam, Shadushana Mudahridam, Panchakola Gunam Tattu, Rukshamushnam Vishabaham from Haridhakyadi Vargam. So, Panchakola plus Marija gives Shadushana. So, Panchakola, the name comes from 5 ingredients, each taken in 1 kola, that is 6 gram. So, Pippali, Pippali Mola, Chavya Chitraka, Nagara. So, a simple trick, Panchakola equal to 2 friends named Pippali and Pippali Mola went to Chachi's house, that is Chavya and Chitraga's house, to have Nagaras, that is spicy ginger tea. So try to remember this image. That is 2 friends, Pippali and Pippali Mola. They went to their Chachi's house, Chavya and Chitraga, and they are preparing the Nagara spicy ginger tea. So that is the Panchakola. So Shadushana equal to Panchakola plus Maricha. So in this image we can see Shadushana equal to Pippali, Pippali Mola, Chavya, Chitraga, Nagara and Marija. So Panchakola plus Marija gives Shadushana. So an easy way to remember Shadushana, 2 friends named Pippali, Pippali Mola went to Chachi, that is Chavya and Chitraga house, to have Nagara spicy ginger tea in the month of March. So March referred to Marija. So try to remember this picture with 2 friends Pippali, Pippali Mola and their Chachi, Chavya and Chitraga, and the Marija tree is also there, and they went to have the Nagara tea in the month of March. So March referred to Marija. And the group containing Panchakola and Marija is called Shadushana, and the property of Shadushana is similar to Panchakola. Now let's see the Rasaguna Virya Vibhaga of karma of this Shadushana. Rasa is Kadu, Guna, Tikshna, Ruksha, Ushna. Vibhaga is also Kadu and Ushna Virya. Dosha karma is Kaba Vadahara. Karma is Vishabaha, Rujigara, Pajana, Deebana and Rogagna Krit. That is Visharoga, Agni Mandya, Gulma, etc.